Performing a bent knee inverted row, I would recommend having the barbell a little bit lower than you would normally start off for an inverted row if you were starting off with the easiest version. So normally inverted rows, you want to start off at about squat height for your barbell and J-hooks. For a bent knee inverted row, I would start off at about bench press height. So it's going to be about waist level, just to make sure that you can get underneath the bar and have the knees bent. Now this does take some of the pressure off of the core and the arms as you're doing this exercise, but it's nice because you're able to get a little bit more parallel to the floor, so a slightly different angle working those same muscles. So once the barbell is set up, you're going to walk your feet forward. Your chest is not going to be lined up directly underneath the bar because you're going to be arcing. If you do that, you're going to end up with the bar up by your throat. So you want to go a little bit further back than you think you should whenever you initially start hanging, and then you'll pull yourself up so that you start at the bar. If you are not sure how to do that, then start off with your chest at the bar and your knees bent and then lower down, and that is your starting position. So we're looking to have the middle of the chest pulled toward the bar. As you do a standard inverted row, same thing as all other rows, elbows are going to pull back at a 45-degree flare. So you're trying to make sure we're optimizing the use of the lats and all the rest of the pulling muscles of the back and the arms. So elbows out at 45 degrees. You shouldn't have to use the legs necessarily because the knees are bent. And as this gets a little bit easier, you can always drop the bar a little bit lower, or you can move on to a full inverted row with the legs straight.